doon. Kapag inauna niya kayo.
Wow! Or pag pagod na siya, ganda pala niya. Gusto niya nang minamasahe siya, mga ganon.
Maganda naman siya lang.
May hugot ba? May hugot. Ako, gusto ko magtanong sana eh. May next question tayo kasi ang gusto na tanong ko kailan nakasal na eh.
Ay! Okay naman ako kailan nakasal. Ikon muna, Ikon. Ikon muna. Ikon na. Ang okay naman kung kailan nakasal. Kailan kayo magkakaapo?
Alright, then, because Diego wants to say something. Diego, say it.
I just wanted to ask, kasi of course everyone wants to know. Tell us more about the movie. This time.
Okay. Well, yung this time kasi, ang storya nito, it focuses on Ava and Kobe na long distance yung relationship nila. So every summer lang sila nakikita. Ever since bata pa lang sila, magkakilala na sila. Pero
It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. You wanna let you down.
Check out.
If you guys are ready.
your right hand to right hand. Holding hands. Yun. Ganun. Holding hands po. Music po.
We only have
Just one part of one big scene.
we only have 4 days to go, right? 4 days to go.
4 days.
Excited. Can make it.
Yeah.
Next we're going to Tangan.
Yeah, I heard, like, tomorrow? Beach?
We're supposed to
More ice cream.
do set
Yeah.
visit there, but we opted to
Dapat
just
po
go
yata
here.
today.
Yeah,
Yung La
today.
Ia. La Ia ba?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Can you talk back, di ba?
Yes, I like.
You may something.
Parang something.
Pero yung ano, talaga doon. Malapit na dito.
Na kasi nung nag-shoot po kami doon one time for a music video, yung dalawang stylist, kasi may naiwan na shirt sa, parang mataas yung house, mataas siya. Then
Yung where we had.
you have to like go down the stairs, siguro mga ilang steps yun. Ang dami yung steps. Like 100 po yata.